Hidden among the palms, thousands of coconuts begin their journey. They roll inside this secret factory where spinning blades crack them open and release the pure white treasure within. The sweet flesh.
Before dawn, the trucks arrive, brimming with ripe, sun-browned coconuts. They tumble onto the line, husks rustling like dry leaves in a breeze. Showered clean, each shell is split with
coconuts. These coconuts have traveled far, cut from sunlit palms, ferried over turquoise shallows, and carried across the wide ocean. Each one is hand-picked at perfect ripeness.
Got him. Keep the spacing tight.
For that, perfect lane.
Conveyor's clear. Next batch is ready.
We're rolling smooth today. Let's keep it that way.
The air is thick with the earthy scent of fresh coconut carried on a faint, sweet mist. On the belt, each husked shell rolls forward in a steady rhythm, still beaded.
First stop, the husking station, where powerful machines prepare to strip away each coconut's rugged armor. Serrated wheels bite in, spinning off the coarse fibers, until the smooth brown shell.
4 blades spin at blinding speed and the husk doesn't stand a chance. In seconds, the rough shell is polished clean, no hammer, no sweat. Inside, perfect white flesh and water as clear as...
Once the corn is cleaned, the husks break free and ride a stream of air to the side, landing in their own bin instead of the landfill. From there, they're carried up and given a new life, woven into sturdy...
With their husks stripped away, the shells gleam like polished wood, each one unique, each one ready for the next step in its journey.
Inside, the coconut opens like a secret, pure white, smooth as porcelain. Clear water collects in its heart, catching the light, holding it. Each drop slides.
Every coconut is tapped, its water captured instantly and guided through glass channels. Separate stainless tanks keep each batch pure, nothing lost along the way. What starts as a single drop ends in shimmering...
As the shells are sorted from the nut meat, the pieces ride a separate line of their own. Instead of heading for the landfill, they're carried away, ground down, and given a second life. Some become fuel for clean-burning stoves.
From nature's shell comes this pure white treasure. Shaved to ribbons, kissed by the pan, and crowned atop silk and sun. The beautiful white coconut meat, reimagined.
At the edge, the waiting curtains of crystal rinse away every trace of salt and sand, leaving behind nothing but clean, gleaming fruit.
When clear water rushes over the coconut, carrying every last thread of husk and fleck of earth away. In seconds, the surface turns glassy, pure, and bright, clean to a sparkling finish.
Warm air glides over the coconut meat, coaxing out the last trace of moisture. The flesh glistens, rippling gently as it dries, until it's ready for the grater's teeth. In moments,
Watch the teeth bite in. Carrot first, bright ribbons snap down. Now cheddar, the curl changes, buttery and soft. Zucchini for cool green strips. And the surprise, purple radish.
Nuts pressed to the whirling teeth, the coconut's smooth meat gives way, shaving off into airy snow-white ribbons. Each shred tumbles down, soft, cool, and glistening, piling like...
These shreds are quickly moved to giant mixing tanks filled with pure hot water.
As the hot water seeps into the shreds, they relax, turn translucent, and release their natural oils. Tiny golden beads rise, spreading flavor and fragrance through the clear infusion until the surface...
With each slow turn, the coconut gives up more of its essence. The warmth coaxes out the oils, the spoon guides them into the cream, and the aroma rises like a promise of the tropics. Gentle,
After their long soak, the fluffy shreds rise out of the water, still glistening, and ride a dripping conveyor toward the waiting press line. Each mound slides into stainless trays, and the hydraulic plates ease down.
Riding hydraulic presses apply tremendous pressure, squeezing the shredded coconut into a dense cake.
And from that pressure, the first thick coconut cream flows, lush, glossy, and aromatic.
A splash of fresh water wakes the coconut again. Gather the pulp, twist, and press. Clear liquid first, then a stream turns softly cloudy. This is the thin second milk, light and...
Once the creamy meat is pressed for milk, the leftover pulp doesn't go to waste. It rolls off the belt and into warm air, where slow circulating fans dry it to a crumbly flake. Ground fine, it becomes...
Every drop of coconut milk matters. The flesh is pressed, its juice captured, thick and thin released in turn. Heavy cream settles above, silky and lush. Below...
The coconut milk, still rich and fragrant, travels into the filtration room. Here, every drop slips through microfine mesh and layered membranes, leaving only silken smoothness behind.
First, the pulp is lifted away. Then the milk slips through a fine mesh, and then finer still. Layer after layer, every tiny particle is left behind. What?
Lush and velvety, the coconut milk is ready. We pour it into the blender, letting it splash like satin. Spinach, mango, and chia follow, and soon the whole jar swirls into a cool, pale green.
Inside the homogenizer, streams of coconut milk are blasted through microscopic nozzles. The pressure shatters each fat globule into thousands of smaller ones. The result? A silky milk that stays
at 4,000 pounds per square inch. The pump drives coconut milk through microscopic nozzles. The jet fractures into tens of thousands of droplets, each blending seamlessly as they recombine. The result?
Now perfectly smooth, the coconut milk flows into a network of stainless steel pipes for pasteurization. Within seconds, heat rises to a precise 72 degrees, sealing in freshness.
Heated in seconds to ultra-high temperature, the coconut milk is gently stirred as steam rises away. This rapid UHT process locks in flavor.
Flash heating sweeps away harmful bacteria in just seconds without cooking away the bright, clean flavor of fresh coconut water. The result? Pure, safe, and incredibly fresh, like sipping straight from...
Right off the flame, the coconut milk is silky and steaming. A plunge into an ice bath chills it in seconds, locking in its delicate sweetness. Cooled quickly, the milk stays pure, rich, and true to its natural flavor.
12.4 bricks, right in the range.
Noted. Viscosity looks perfect too.
And no separation after the heat test.
Smooth and sweet. This batch is a winner.
Every batch is scanned, tested, and tasted. Anything less than flawless never makes it past inspection. Only the silkiest, purest coconut milk moves on to be blended.
Guided by lasers and sensors, each nozzle aligns with an open jar. Coconut milk flows in a perfect column, filling to the same precise level every time, without a single drop out of place. Caps tighten.
The lid locks down with precision, crimping a silicone ring that seals in every drop of freshness. When you pop it open, the pure, silky coconut milk tastes as if it was poured today. Tight.
Guided by lasers and algorithms, the robots place each carton as if it were the final piece of a puzzle. Each movement is synchronized, every alignment flawless. When the last carton clicks into place,
layers lock in tight, keeping the coconut milk steady for the ride.
From the yard to the warehouse floor, every pallet is guided with care. Forklifts glide between towering racks, sliding shipments into place. Dock doors roll up, trucker.
From one sun-soaked tree, a coconut begins its trip. Cut loose, caught, and basketed by hand. It sails over shimmering wave tops, is hauled across a busy dock, and...
Each year, millions of coconuts set out on a journey like this, floating from grove to dock, tumbling onto conveyors, split, shredded, and pressed. Their rich white liquid...
Day or night, the rhythm never stops. Here at Coconut Works, fresh fruit becomes silky milk, rich oil, and more, thanks to the hands of experts and the
From every coconut, there's more than sweet water and white flesh. Husks once left to rot are shredded into coir for planters and mats, turned into charcoal, or fed into biogas digesters. The rest...
Every sip of coconut milk carries the essence of tropical sunshine and care. Grown under golden skies, gathered with patience, and shared with joy. Taste the warmth.
That's the last of it. Flow rate perfect. Fill line dead on. Another batch of coconut milk, smooth as silk. Machine slowing to standby just the way we like it. Quiet.
And so the cycle continues. Another truck of fresh coconuts arrives, ready to become delicious coconut milk once again.